Shut up and sit down.
Hello, gang. Good to see you again. We got a parcel. We got a parcel. We got a parcel. Oh, yes, we got another parcel. This time, it's from my good old mate, Terry, the Smoo, at Smoo's workshop. Nice little note in there. Good mate of mine gave me a few kits today, and it seems I've got this one already, so there's no point in having two of something. Thought you might like it, Terry, aka the Smoo. Pardon me. So, young Terry, what have we been up to, mate? Oh, look at that. We got ourselves a Kawasaki. Get in there. I'll just move that off of there to contain the poly styrene packaging there. Look at that, peeps. Oh, I'm liking the look of that. That is nice, I must admit. I'm developing quite a sexy bike stash now, and that's a nice Shima Kawasaki 900 Superbore Z1. Get in. I love the look of the older style retro naked bikes, to be quite honest with you. I am a bit of an old fart, set in my ways. So Terry, that is going to go into my bike collection, and we'll get that built ASAP, mate. Okay? So thank you, Terry, the Smoo. Pop along to his channel, Smoo's Workshop, and join us on the old Saturday night live with Smoo and the crew. Hangouts on the YouTubes. We've all got our own channels, so you'll see us up there. And I look forward to seeing you all. So once again, cheers, Terry, Mr. Smoo, and no doubt I'll do a build series on this one as well, mate. So I'll catch you all a bit later. Thanks for watching.